Linking your bank account to LinkedIn Learning Hub can streamline your payment process for subscriptions and courses. Follow these steps to set it up easily. Step 1. Log into LinkedIn Learning Hub. Access your LinkedIn Learning Hub account by entering your credentials on the LinkedIn website or app. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Escrow to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings menu, find the section labeled payment methods or billing. Click on this option to manage your payment information. Step 4. Add bank account information. Look for an option to add a new payment method. Choose bank account and enter the required details such as your bank name, account number, and routing number. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank information, review it for accuracy. Click the Confirm or Save button to finalize the linking of your bank account to your LinkedIn Learning Hub. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank account to LinkedIn Learning Hub, making your learning experience smoother.